Koalas are one of Australia's most iconic animals, often recognized for their fluffy ears, button noses, and sleepy demeanor. These tree-dwelling marsupials are native to the eastern and southeastern parts of Australia, where they are closely associated with the eucalyptus forests. Despite their popularity, there is much more to koalas than meets the eye. Koalas are herbivores, and their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus trees are not only their primary food source, but also provide them with shelter. Interestingly, koalas are very selective about the types of eucalyptus they eat, as only a few species are suitable for their diet. This is because eucalyptus leaves are tough, fibrous, and contain toxins, which makes them difficult for most animals to digest. Koalas have adapted to this by developing a specialized digestive system that allows them to detoxify and extract nutrients from the leaves. One of the most distinctive traits of koalas is their sleep patterns. Koalas sleep between 18 to 22 hours a day, which is essential for their survival. The reason for this extensive rest is the low energy content of their diet. Eucalyptus leaves provide limited nutrients, and koalas need to conserve energy by sleeping for most of the day. Their low metabolic rate helps them cope with the slow digestion of these leaves. Koalas are solitary creatures, and each koala has its own home range in the trees. These ranges can vary in size depending on the availability of food and the density of other koalas in the area. Despite being solitary, koalas are not entirely silent. During the breeding season, males produce loud, grunting calls to attract females and establish their territory. These calls can carry over long distances, even through dense forests. Koalas are also at the mercy of their environment. Deforestation, climate change, and urbanization have significantly impacted their habitats. Many koalas have been displaced by land development, and their populations have been declining due to habitat loss and diseases like chlamydia, which can cause infertility. In some areas, koala numbers are critically low, making conservation efforts essential to their survival. Though koalas are beloved symbols of Australian wildlife, their future depends on the preservation of their natural habitat and the ongoing efforts to protect them from environmental threats. By understanding their habits, we can help ensure these peaceful creatures continue to thrive in the wild.